Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing for you the ABH Soft Glam palette. Yes, this is it in its whole entirety. I've had this about 5 days now, and I have used it constantly every day. Like every day since I picked it up on a day. Yes, I have used it constantly, and I'm actually getting more use out of it than I thought I would. At first, when I bought this palette, I didn't think I needed it at all. Well, I didn't need it technically, but I was just like, oh, whatever, another neutral colored palette. I'm not gonna buy this. But I ended up buying it. As I kept seeing it up and down my timeline from Anastasia promoting it, I was just like, I'm gonna go ahead and get it. And I'm glad I did, because it's not a bad purchase at all. The colors in here are very buttery, and they're very smooth and soft. Like when I was dipping my fingers into this, I was actually reminded of the Mario palette that they did with Mario. I don't have that palette anymore because I don't know why. I just got tired of it. But I kind of wish I didn't, because now I'm deciding to collect all of ABH's palettes from now on. So yes, so I'm gonna do a little bit of swatches with it. This is rose pink. It's rose pink. See how buttery that is? And this is bronze. I know, like, this is actually what made me want to buy it, the bronze. That's bronze. Alright, and now we're gonna swatch a color that is not in their collection. So we're gonna swatch Rustic, which is their matte. And then we're gonna swatch Mulberry. And that's really, those are like the really pretty colors. You know what? I'm probably gonna do a little bit of that. So I'm not gonna do any other swatches of this. This is basically it. But if you wanna watch and stay tuned for an eye look that I'm gonna do with this palette, just continue watching. So I've already primed my eyes with concealer, and then I set it with a setting powder. So first, I'm gonna take this color, Orange Soda, which is right here, into my crease. And then I'm gonna take my Morphe R40. It's a pretty big fluffy brush, and I'm gonna coat my brush in it and go in my crease. Basically, this color is going to serve as the transition shade. You really can't see it on my eyes, but what I like about this is that the palette is not that powder, well, it is powdery, but it's not like Soap Culture powdery, which I do have the Soap Culture, and I actually do like the Soap Culture, but I just don't use that much. You can also see that in my top 5 eyeshadow video. That should be a couple of videos before this. Alright, so now that I done did that, I'm going to go in now with the color Rustic that I showed you earlier. And I'm just going to take it, see? It's not even bad. And I'm basically going to add this to, like, this part of my eye. And I'm just going to build it up some. I have no clue what kind of eye I'm going to do. All I know is I'm playing with this palette. I'm going to take Mulberry, this color right here, just added a little bit more to my crease. I'm just gonna go back in with my my first brush. I'm gonna clean it off with my Mona brush cleaner thing, and I'm just gonna smudge out this a little bit because it's a little bit too concentrated in my crease for me. So one of the tricks I like to use for when I want my eyeshadow to stick more on my lid, because I do have a little bit of skin that folds over, is I'm going to take my MAC Painterly paint pot and lay in low. I actually hit pan on this, I didn't know. And I'm just going to put it on my eyelid. You can also call this a cut crease, but some people do theirs with concealer. So I'm not going to call this a cut crease. I'm going to call this a cleaning up of the eye. And I'm taking a Morphe E19. I think it's supposed to be a lip brush, but you can use your brushes for whatever you want. So like I said, this paint pot is going to add like a sticky base for my eyeshadow that I'm about to put up here. You don't really have to do this because the shimmers are really pigmented. Like, they're really pigmented, and they can just go on your eye with nothing. But I am going to, because I just am. I use that one, and that one. So, but I don't want like a pink eye. So I haven't really tried the color Sultry yet. So I'm just going to take some of that. See it on my brush. And I'm just going to swipe it on my eye. Let's get in here. Yeah, I think that works. And I guess you could, let's see what it looks like if I put some Fake Fix Plus up there, which is the Mario, but that's good. Just 2 times with that, and then okay, so I think I like this look. And since I've already done my face, no, first I'm going to take this brush right here, this E48, and you see right there, there's a little bit of fallout. I'm just going to clean that up. Wasn't that bad at all. For how pigmented these shadows are, like, that's not that bad at all. So now I'm just going to throw in some lashes, and I'm going to come back to you later. Alright, you guys, so this is my finished foundation, eyes, and highlight. All together, this is how it all came out as one. It's really beautiful, and it's really simple, and it's really pink, which is another plus. I look really natural, I look really snatched, and I look really beautiful at the end of the day. So please subscribe to my channel, comment if you like this, and overall, hope I see y'all again. Have a good day. Bye bye.